has traveled far and wide, across the ocean's blue divide, from Manila's busy streets to where the North Sea meets the gray. Right to honor law and due process for the powerful and the meek. Let truth be spoken clean and clear for all the world to truly hear. The verdict that the people feel is what the system must now see. We the undersigned Filipino people stand united in calling for the fair and just treatment of our former president, Rodrigo Roa Duterte, and for his rightful. Let justice find its truest form and guide him home out of the The court decision published now confirms the case, the where, the how, but the heart of the people beats strong and true. Fair and just treatment, that's what we pursue.